Let's learn together.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to show you a list of drawing instruments involved during the learning process of MEC 132. First of all, you need to have this set of magnetic drawing board, okay, and then come together with this I square. Okay, this I square you can move up and down. Also you can move in horizontal line, right and left. Okay, it's up to you. And then another equipment, you need to have a set square. Okay, this set square, we call it set square. Okay, this is triangle with the 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, it come together with the 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay, then you can use this set square together. How you want to use it, I will tell you in the class, okay, after this. Okay, another component you need to have is a mechanical pencil. Okay, this mechanical pencil, make sure that the size of tip is 0.5 mm. Okay, and then you need to have another. If you want to have this, you need to get the grade pencil of 2H. Okay, you can see this 2H. Also you can have a 4H, and then you can have a 2B grade pencil. Okay, this is for object line, and then 2H is for construction line. Okay, for the expert student, you can have only these mechanical pencils only, because it's up to you. By using this mechanical pencil, you can have this both grade of pencil. Okay, with the skills of gripping the pencil, how you grip the pencil, how tighten the pencil you grip, so you can control the tone of the color to get the 4H grade pencil and 2B grade pencil. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, and then another drawing tool involved in this class is compass. Okay, also known as a jangka lukis. Call it as a jangka lukis. Okay, this jangka lukis, you make sure that you get with the mechanical pencil, because of we need a consistent of the size for the electrode tips ataupun pencil tips. You need to control the size of pencil tips, so that's why we suggest you use the mechanical pencils. Okay, and then this ruler, 15 cm or 18 cm is up to you. So you need to have this simple ruler to get the speed during your process of drawing. Okay, this is simple component that you need to have during the learning process. And the last one is this is a French curve. Okay, this French curve have 3 types of size, and then this French curve is very useful to create arc for parabola or ellipse. Okay, based on your point or your draft of the arc. Okay, this French curve is very useful compared to the flexible curve, but it's up to you. You need to have this French curve for my advice, because of you can have a smooth arc, because this shape is static. Okay, you need to have a drawing paper. Okay, this drawing paper is a A3 size. Okay, A3 size based on ISO standard. Okay, this drawing paper is a 165 GSM. Okay, you can get this drawing paper from any bookstore or from the stationery shop near you. Okay, you can buy it online from Lazada or Shopee. It's up to you. That's all for our requirement of the drawing instrument for the class of MEC 132.